systematic problem solving reduces anxiety by giving you a clear, step-by-step process to follow. So uncertainty is turned into predictable actions. Think of systematic problem solving like a recipe for a chemistry problem. First, you read the question carefully. Then you identify what is given and what is asked. Next, you choose the right principles or equations. Then you plan the steps and carry them out. And finally, you check your work. When you follow those steps, one at a time, the problem stops feeling like a giant fog and starts feeling like a series of small, manageable tasks. For a fifth grader, that means instead of worrying about the whole test, you focus on one small step, like drawing a diagram or writing down numbers. Breaking problems into parts makes it easier to see mistakes and fixes so your brain feels calmer and more in control. A common mistake is skipping the first step and jumping straight into calculations, which leads to confusion and wrong answers. The fix is to always list what you know and what you need before you do any math. Another error is forgetting to check units or signs, which can flip an answer. The simple habit of writing units with each number catches that. A third mistake is not reviewing the final answer against the original question. And you can prevent that by reading the question one more time and asking if your answer makes sense. For more videos and resources on how to use systematic problem solving to reduce anxiety, check out www.gumballdegree.com.